judgment set, yes. Even though I see them huffing and them ringing no bell, but I know them judgment set, whoa. I see them pushing and them ringing a bell, but that won't work, yes, won't work. So time shall reveal them. Real Rasta man knows right, yes. I tell you, time shall reveal them. No matter how them a put up a fight, yes. I tell you, time shall reveal them. Real Rasta man knows right, yeah. I tell you, time will reveal them. All shall come to light. Yeah, me know, the counsel of the wicked is not a plate of food, destroying humanity, so you got to be careful. A back and belly rat, them only want a belly full, just like the mule and the oxen. Everywhere them a pull. This life is like a jungle, all things are not good, so rise above the evil and be strong. Time shall reveal them. Real Rasta man knows right, yes. I tell you, time shall reveal them. All shall come to light, yes. Time will reveal them. Real Rasta man knows right, yes. I see them puffing and them ringing no bell, but I know them judgment set, whoa. Them pushing and them ringing a bell, but that won't work. Read the covenant of the Most High. All things are possible now, so I live this traditionally. Love and respect humanity. So I don't want to hear no penny words. It's just the goodness of the heart, yes. And I am glorified to be loved by Jah. So time shall reveal them. Real Rasta man knows right. Well, time shall reveal them. All shall come to light, yes. I tell you, time will reveal them. Real Rasta man knows right. Well, time shall reveal them. All shall come to light, yes. Time will reveal them. Real Rasta man knows right, yes. Time shall reveal them. All shall come to light, yes. I see them puffing and them ringing a bell, but I know them judgment set, whoa. Them pushing and them ringing a bell, but that won't work. Jah no love when them try to confuse the children, yes. Ooh, yeah. Jah no love, yes. Brute force and hunger. Shed no blood, show some love. Respect the hurt, woy. Come and lift it up, ain't no giving up. Love life, oh. Time shall reveal them. Real Rasta man knows right, yes.
Addis Ababa, 2 footsteps away before I see my father. The city of power ain't too far. We know where we're going, and we sure of who we are. Much closer to the King, the old King. Chanting evening, much closer to the King. What an I feeling. I got to dance, I got to sing. I said the best is yet to come. Still we living like the worst in the slum. Babylon them have the money and no one giving none. But we still I work we don't living in a jam down. Up your our daughters and son. The blessing with brata they come. Prince Emmanuel said no the Black Kingdom.
Much closer to the King.
What an eerie feeling. Chanting morning, chanting evening.
Much closer to the King.
What an eerie feeling. I got to dance, I got to sing. Money in your pocket, you're spending at the West. Africa awaits its creators, yes. Shelter the shelterless, and all people get a helper yet. Repatriation stamping on me passport. Rather live up in a hut than a glass house. Much nearer to thee, I wanna be so close, so close.
Much closer to the King. The King.
Oh, what an eerie feeling. Chanting morning, chanting evening.
Much closer to the King.
What an eerie feeling. Oh, wow. I got to dance, I've got to sing. Bing,
Much closer. Much closer. Much closer. Much closer
to the King. Gotta be
much closer to the King.
what an eerie feeling.
Much closer to the King.
Let true salvation bring. I've got to dance, I've got to sing. Got to dance, got to sing.
I make a roll in the country just to free my mess. Over time, cloud the mind, I can't lose my head. Go and tell the farmer I need the bread. It's his own adventurous. Look at the people suffer, yet they work so hard. Gotta be smart, gotta be free, wisdom is your reward. Think of your family and search yourself. Don't you go hurting yourself. Celebrate life. Celebrate life. Celebrate life. Go and tell them we don't like nothing no nice. Life. Celebrate life. We celebrate life. Go and tell them we don't like nothing no nice. Hear from a girl like my nursery. Baby, this month is our anniversary. Be looking sexy, baby, as I mentioned. Because I'm taking you somewhere special. You know it's not the time, not the weather. When you're with someone that's even better. Stop the war, let them talk whatsoever. Let us get together and celebrate life. Celebrate life. Celebrate life. Go and tell them we don't like nothing no nice. Life. Celebrate life. Celebrate life. Go and tell them we don't like nothing no nice. Good to be here, good to be around. Spread the word, one love is the sound. People and the corrupt people, them get bound. Wicked man in their wicked deeds, see them drowning. Dance and dance unto Jah, no matter what. I judge and make it happen. So all way I go on. We are celebrate life, celebrate life, celebrate life. Go and tell them we don't life, nothing no nice. Life, celebrate life, celebrate life. Go and tell them we don't life, nothing no nice. Rolling the country just to free my mess. Over time, clouding mind, kinda lose my head. Go and tell the farmer we need the bread. It's so adventurous. See the people suffer when the the world so well. Gotta be free, gotta be smart, peace and misery. Don't hurt yourself, set yourself. Celebrate life, celebrate life, celebrate
as I woke up this morning and turned the radio on, I heard the news bulletin, another man dead and gone. He was another victim of the bullet and the gun. It seems there was a hit on him, the way they shot him down. We've been wailing and more. Another brother's on the ground. We've been wailing and mourning. Another loved one is gone. Some blame it on the system for what is going on, but it's up to our thinking to do what's right from wrong, to divide and rule. Down pressers plan, so they give us the tools of death and destruction. Now we've been wailing and mourning. Another brother's on the ground. We've been wailing and mourning. Another loved one is gone. Oh Lord, loved ones cry, and we'll start we pray. Good night to all the saints that feel. Oh, all this strife and war, blood against blood. Tell me people, when will this thing stop? They make the weapons of death and destruction, and we keep using it to destroy our nation. We've been wailing and mourning. Another brother's on the ground. We've been wailing and mourning. Another loved one is gone. We've been wailing and mourning. Another body's on the ground. We've been wailing and mourning. Another loved one is gone. We've been mourning. We've been wailing all over the field. Oh, child. We've been and mourning. Well, I pray every day for the youth and the share. Yeah, they want to divide us, and them no want to rise up. And then they take us for a ride. Don't want us to be wise, the truth them hide up. Them no want we to rise up. That's why them try to divide us. And then they take us for a ride. Don't want us to be wise, the truth them hide up. Most of them use the and religion. Focus division, political conflict cause segregation. Divide and rule, no good for any nation. That's why Rasta chant unification. The people can't survive without education. If the people not collective, all the people are go strong. If them not organized, then all them are go set a plan. That's why we chant for liberation. When me say unity, strength, me tell the youth them say survival. My bond the ism and the schism and the tribal. And my bond the divisional, suicidal. Bond the oppressors, me say and them a rival. Suppressing the people with political rival. Constrain economical idol. Tell them so we no want no more reprisal. Else let's say reprison and no idol. One more loving on the region, so we get rid of the division. On the politics with the religion, let them know say that we not swear no legion. So plant more funky ground, cause enough more seed of it sow. How much more trees of it grow? By the sweat of your brow, no this is now your brow. Them want divide us, and them no one will rise up. And then they take us for a ride. Don't want us to be wise to shoot them idol. They want to divide us, and them no one will rise up. They want to take us for a ride. Don't want us to be wise to shoot them idol. Bun you down, bun your bullets and you bomb them and you gun. Fireman a bun them down. If them don't want the youth, them rise up out of the slum. So much heartache, pain and pressure. What they gonna do to make things better? Heartache, pain and pressure. Ask the aggressors, ask the oppressors. Heartache, pain and pressure. Too much innocent life push out past stretcher. Heartache, pain and pressure. Tell them to figure things better. Them say blood sacrifice at the latest. People can't survive from a day-to-day basis. Still up on the ism and the schism and the racist. Love man a promote, some me burning out the hate list. So we keep it real, put a fire upon the fakest. No for them lean, make them know we are the straightest. Say no more the people, them cannot take this. That's why the fireman has stated, no one on them. I will survive, I will survive. Even when you try to push us aside. Cause I will survive, I will survive. Kill the people them and then you swallow your pride. But I will survive, I will survive. Me no listen pagan with them one bag of knife. I will survive, I will survive. After election you go hide. So much heartache, pain and pressure. What they gonna do to make things better? Heartache, pain and pressure. Ask the aggressors, ask the oppressors. Heartache, pain and pressure. Too much innocent life push out past stretcher. Heartache, pain and pressure. When you gonna get this better? Them say the youths them and the future, but still them do otherwise. Why so much little youth have been sodomized? Still the system telling them bag of lies. No love for the people when me analyze. Some me tell you get the youth then them for otherwise. Cause the system only come antagonize. Them no love to see another get the youth to rise. With his eyes on the prize. Aye, too much heartache, pain and pressure. What they gonna do to make things better? heartache, pain and pressure. Ask the aggressors, ask the oppressors. Heartache, pain and pressure. Too much innocent life push out pan stretcher. Heartache, pain and pressure, pain and pressure. Alright, some go so yo. Too much dishonesty and too much distrust. Righteousness to get to you, them come fi discuss. God's not no good, Babylon no wish us. Violate the earth and go and kill the hibiscus. No make them trick you with them Easter or them Christmas. When you this, they know them as go and remember, say them this first. Sell you out to them and drive up on the rich bus. Well, the truth we have to talk. Well, too much heartache, pain and pressure. What they gonna do to make things better? Heartache, pain and pressure. Ask the aggressors, ask the oppressors. Heartache, pain and pressure. Why so much life I push out pan stretcher? Heartache, pain and pressure. Tell the wicked pack up and left you the one you name. I will survive, I will survive, even when they try to push us aside.
Life has its way of turning the gray skies blue. Oh yeah. But sometimes the skies come tumbling down on you. But of this one thing I'm sure, Judge, I never give I more than what I can bear. Sometimes the road get dark and it feels like no one cares. Friends and family, they are gone, but I will overcome. Cause I am a champion, my brother. I'm a champion, my friend. Mama, dry your tears and move your hand from your head. Never wear a frown because that you're not dead. Trust in every word where Selassie say. Leaning on Marcus philosophy. Cause sometimes the skies come tumbling down on you. But of this one thing I'm sure, Judge, I never give I more than what I can bear. Sometimes the road get dark and it feels like no one cares. Friends and family, they are gone, but I will overcome. Cause I am a champion, my brother. I am a champion, my friend. So all when I'm hungry and edge I teeth, I stand up on me own 2 feet. Me nah make no trouble, come and get rid of me. I fight it like a champion, Muhammad Ali. But that no mean I'm a go do no folly. Rasta man and a Satan little puppet dolly. Push on pon the straight and narrow like a chally. Her goodness and mercy a follow back on me. That you never give I more than what I can give I. Sometimes the road get dark. Oh, come on. Friends and family, they are gone, but I will overcome. I am a champion, champion, my friend. Judge, I never give I. To all my people out there, all the faith. Welcome, Chronixx, the warrior. Welcome, Chronixx, the deliverer, deliverer, boy, deliverer, boy. Me say we lose faith in the preachers. The youth them need a teacher because Papa in my ball send no money in a wallet. Mama she a ball on gripping pan her forehead. Cousin in my cry say him and poverty married. Him no eat no food from last week. Plus the little pitney them a ball. Santa never bring a barrel. Never bring the present and him never bring the Sahara. The 3 stooges were in a parliament a quarrel. Tell them Selassie I issue a warning so the cup them full and run over. When the cup them full and run over, a judgment. For you miss a man in your Benz and your Rover. Whoa, the cup them full and run over. When the cup them full and run over, a judgment. For you miss a man in your Benz. Welcome to the youth them on the side, mixing concrete and mortar. Can't afford the light and them still thief in water. Mama she a cry, can't see school fee for data, but she find the offering fi give thief in pasta. A lamp powder, lightning and thunder. When the youth them fed up and frost, Babylon fall like lumber, get gas asunder. When the lightning set up and flash, when the cup them full and run over, when the cup them full and run over, a judgment, judgment. For you miss a man in your Benz and your Rover. When the cup them full and run over, when the cup them full and run over, a judgment, judgment. Yes I, Babylon ask Chronixx, so what do you temper? None of them can angle the judgment. Me give them 100%. The fire where you burn from epicenter. The whole of Babylon me get done over. I still see him run bow ya. Them a fi give up when them still live up. Tell them the youth them cup full and it a run over. When the cup them full and run over, when the cup them full and live up, a judgment, judgment. Yes I, the cup them full and run over. When the cup them full and run over, a judgment.
Kabaka pyramid that dash it over so. This is how it go. Baby rock, sing fence. Come make with that shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Gas them and them click, drop the matches at them feet. Lightning flash up on them seat. Still a sip on the peaks. If we burn up the vampire and the fatigue and the lead. Me dash a fire on the beast them. Run them over with the V10. Step in the face with me cleat them. Chuck them off in the deep end. Like a the shark with the teeth. Them fi eat them. Rhythm a kick and a beat. Lyrics a bust it up in the street them. Me dash a fire on the pedophiles and rapists. The reason why them stray is them eat the tripe and crayfish. Look on the marriages, them legalize, I'm saying the system need to clean up right away, king. Come it with that shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Gas them and them click, drop the matches at them feet. Lightning flash up on them seat. Still a sip on the peaks. If we burn up the vampire and the fatigue and the lead. That shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Rome catch a fire when the Rasta man a speak. Too much sufferation and the gnashing of the teeth. Make them know Ethiopia me a fi reach. When me talk about the beast, yes me a talk about police. Them where you walk about the street like them a dog without no leash. And the beast are the companies we farm without no seed. And I breed the flipping chicken them we born without no beak. And the beast are the country them we colonize me continent. We modernize me uncle them and sodomize me auntie them. Me dash a fire upon the whole of them. Waiting patiently until the reincarnate. Them flipping soul again. Fi that shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Gas them and them click, drop the matches at them feet. Lightning flash up on them seat. Still a sip on the peaks. If we burn up the vampire and the fatigue and the lead. That shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Rome catch a fire when the Rasta man a speak. Too much sufferation and the gnashing of the teeth. Make them know Ethiopia me a fi reach. Me dash a fire upon the beast them. Run them over with the feet then. Step in the face with me cleat them. Chuck them up in the deep end. Let go the shark with the teeth. Them fi eat them. Rhythm a kick and a beat. Lyrics a bust it up in the street them. Me dash a fire upon the pedophiles and rapists. The reason why them stray is them eat the tripe and crayfish. Look on the marriages. Them legalize, I'm saying the system need to clean up right away, king. Come make with that shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Gas them and them click, drop the matches at them feet. Lightning flash up on them seat. Still a sip on the peaks. If we burn up the vampire and the fatigue and the lead. That shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Rome catch a fire when the Rasta man a speak. Too much sufferation and the gnashing of the teeth. Make them know Ethiopia me a fi reach, yeah. No, 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 no. Sing fence and bebel rocker. Got the level lock on. When I got no pebble rock on. Babylon them never know, so we got the level lock on. Yo, yo, them better stop on. Hey, yo, we never stop on. We keep the freestyle going, and them never knowing. The Rasta vibes them showing, and lightning strike and moving, and Babylon nothing. Bebel rocker back up, pyramid and corrupt fire.
I could have been anything. I mean anything. I
could have been a user or an abuser, even a loser, but I choose to be a Rasta man. I could have been the chief, big time police, boy. Choose to be a Rasta man. I could have joined the force, I could have been the boss, but I choose to be a Rasta man. I could have joined the pack and start to smoke the crack, yeah, but I choose to be a Rasta man. I like the way how Rasta man live it up, how Rasta hold on to the order and not give it up. And when them hear Selassie name, them they big it up. And then the ways of the truth, them they live it up. I like what them man them defend. Rasta man not set trap, Rasta man them set trend. Like how them real and them don't pretend. Like how them don't beg friend from the user and the abuser, even the loser. I choose to be a Rasta man. I could have been the chief, big time police, boy. Choose to be a Rasta man. Could have afraid to speak out, I man could have weak out, but I choose to be a Rasta man. I could have joined the hype and want to be like Mike, but I choose to be a Rasta man. Rasta man humble, Rasta man meek. Rasta resemble the most high sheep. We might look poor, but we are not cursed. Rich too, we put Rastafari first. Rasta man know where we're from. Tell Ethiopia Rasta soon come. Positive decision we Rasta man make. Like when them chant fire and earthquake. And the user and the abuser, even the loser. I choose to be a Rasta man. I could have been the chief, big time police, boy. Choose to be a Rasta man. I could have joined the force, I could have been the boss, but I choose to be a Rasta man. I could have joined the pack and start to smoke the crack. Choose to be a Rasta man. Rasta man burn vampire. Like to cook me pot up on me trees turn fire. Way yo, fire burn Randolph Burroughs, who cause Rasta man of sorrows. Love Rasta man not deal with yay. Still them boy them oppose. But Rasta are the sweetest life. Seems like nobody knows, but I could have been a user or an abuser, even a loser. But I choose to be a Rasta man. I could have been the chief Catholic priest, boy. I choose to be a Rasta man. I could have been a drunk, I could have been a monk, but I choose to be a Rasta man. I could have joined the force, could have been the boss. I choose to be a Rasta man. Rasta Emmanuel, Selassie and Marcus. Rasta chant life above the death and the carcass. Fire burn them traditional things where them taught us. Marcus Garvey say from Wednesday they brought us. Rasta man illegal, time for deport us. Straight back to Mama Africa for report us. We want the reparation funding, not 1 cent you fi short us. I could have been a user or an abuser, even a loser. I choose to be a Rasta man. I could have been the chief, big time police, boy. Choose to be a Rasta man. I could have afraid to speak out, I man could have weak out. I choose to be a Rasta man. I could have joined the pack and start to smoke the crack, yeah. I choose to be a Rasta man. You might know them say we a smell stink out a road, you see me? Choose to be a Rasta man. No mind know them say them now worry, now them car and them fan and them thing they did. I choose to be a Rasta man. Some of them say them now a Rasta with none of them daughter. But I choose to be a Rasta man. You man, Sizzla. I choose to be a Rasta man. Love Rasta.
See, this is the trumpet, the last trumpet. Watch it too. Words of wisdom. Listen to words of wisdom. Oh yeah. Now it makes sense you listen to the Rasta man. No go walk in a no bad man, yeah. Words of righteousness are gonna make you last long. So be strong, be strong, be strong. It makes sense you listen to the Rasta man. No go walk in a no bad man, yeah. Words of righteousness are gonna make you last long. So be strong, be strong, be strong. On the road of life, we all make mistakes, so don't be not ashamed. Don't go hurting people on Jaja's name, oh no, it's not a game. Don't go building up no fences or you'll pay the consequences. And if you don't leave it and you stay with it, you'll end up in a sorrow and shame. So it makes sense you listen to the Rasta man. No go walk in a no bad man gang. Words of righteousness are gonna make you last long. So be strong, be strong, be strong. So it makes sense you listen to the Rasta man. No go walk in a no bad man gang. Words of righteousness are gonna make you last long. So be strong, be strong, be strong. Oh great, where is your victory? Oh dead, where is your sting? I ain't got charge, I work to do, cause I'll always praise my King. Oh great, where is your victory? Oh dead, where is your sting? I ain't got charge, I work to do, and I'll always praise my King. Cause it makes sense you listen to the Rasta man. No go walk in a no bad man gang. Words of righteousness are gonna make you last long. So be strong, be strong, be strong. It makes sense you listen to the Rasta man. No go walk in a no bad man gang. Words of righteousness are gonna make you last long. So be strong, be strong, be strong. You say you want hook it, fi go cook it. You say the outer road, no go hook fi hook it. Yo, me go tell you pull this right and go book it. Every time you turn and you see them, just a look it. If it a fi go sudden, make it go sudden. If you want to hit the streets, yes, for win the streets. Every time Babylon come watch you, every time you see them trying now fi catch you. So it makes sense you listen to the Rasta man. No go walk in a no bad man gang. Words of righteousness are gonna make you last long. So be strong, be strong, be
and brothers who love to see the other brothers in the cemetery. Free the element of the penitentiary. It was food over poverty. Maliciousness a silly tendency. Suddenly, I'm tired to see the mothers cry when the innocent son dies, and when the bullets fly, another gun down in a drive-by. And I wonder why there's so much bloodshed. How can you kill a little youth? The leader you go shoot. Hey, you must hear me now.
Rude boy, no bother with the gunplay. From Sunday to Sunday, you in a dismay. Just spill with Naya Bingy and listen the drum play. Fire will get you fast, so children learn to pray.
From Kingston go straight to Mobay. From Germany and France back to Zimbabwe. From Mandela to President Mugabe. Obama call back the troops today. I'm tired to see the mothers cry when the innocent son dies, and the bullets fly, another gun down in a drive-by. And I wonder why there's so much bloodshed. How can you kill a little youth? Leader you go shoot. Hey, they must be sick. I'm gonna hear them killing a Connecticut, including children. Lord got me hurt me cut. Tears fall from my eyes and full up the cup because I'm tired. I had enough. It tough. I will need some more self-control. Young and old, save your soul. Get to youth, seek salvation and be brave and bold. Cause it doesn't pay to play the bad man role. I'm tired to see the mothers, see the mothers when the innocent son dies, and when the bullets fly, another gun down in a drive-by. And I wonder why there's so much bloodshed. How can you kill a little youth? The lady you go shoot. Or they must be sick in the head. They must be sick in the head. Yeah. Hatred is all I see. Heartaches and misery. And brothers who will love to see there are the brothers in the cemetery. Free the prisoners out of the penitentiary. Food over poverty. Make it safe for you and me. Suddenly, I'm tired to see the mothers cry. Another innocent son die, and the bullets fly. Another gun down in a drive. And I wonder why
them no real from morning. She said them no wise. Lucifer calling, ready na demise. Iniquity darling, they have to victimize. Gun them out, we not compromise. Can me find out a robber there? Robbers of soul. Tell my brothers there to take full control. A robber there, robbers of soul. Me tell me sister there, so much beauty to behold. Ethiopia away all prince and princesses. Which one in one accord and that is how we live. Remember where you're coming from and don't you burn your bridge. Advance for the future, we staying positive, yeah. Remember you feel liberate yourself and come. Put on Babylon grudge and all them hate and done. Seek for salvation, don't rely on no. Thy kingdom come, me find out a robber there. Robbers of soul, tell my brothers there. Take full control. Robbers there, robbers of soul. Half us never been told. The pagan them a bask in the children them blood. Yo me fire bomb the wicked man ritual. No make them trick you cause them nah no low. Can't stop the racism through spiritual. A judgment I go take them in a them carnival. Them a worship animal, burn your little cannibal. Hey, I like me chant for, I done me war. Urban boys a burn the funeral. Cause a robber there, robbers of soul. Tell my brothers there, take full control. A robbers there, robbers of soul. Tell my sister so much beauty to behold. We find out a robber there, robbers of soul. Tell my brothers there, take full control. Robbers there, robbers of soul. See that the truth to unfold. This said them no real from man.
Watch out, little children, watch out. Watch out, little children, watch out. Rape man is going around. Pervert is going around. Watch out, little children, watch out. Watch out, little children, watch out. Rape man is going around. Pervert is going around. Finally school, go straight home. Don't take the street, find a playground. Perverts leave our children alone. Children, children. Don't take no food from a stranger to eat. And don't beg no drive from no stranger. Walk in groups when you're going home. Children's safety is my responsibility. Watch out, little children, watch out. Watch out, little children, watch out. Rape man is going around. Pervert is going around. Watch out, little children, watch out. Watch out, little children, watch out. Rape man is going around. Pervert is going around. Raping and killing little children. Who is human soul? Pedophile against little boys, they're missing in. Now them find them drowned. Autopsy prove that they were molested by booger man in the town. To church and state, this a message I send out. Protect the youth, them all around. Watch out, little children, watch out. Watch out, little children, watch out. Rape man is going around. Pervert is going around. Watch out, little children, watch out. Watch out, little children, watch out. Rape man is going around. Pervert is going around. Finally school, go straight home. Don't take the street, find a playground. Perverts leave our children alone. Children, children. Don't take no food from a stranger to eat. And don't beg no drive from no stranger. Walk in groups when you're going home. Children's safety is my responsibility. Watch out, little children, watch out. Watch out, little children, watch out. Rape man is going around.
They have to defend your black woman. This you fi know you a queen when you wear a crown. They have to defend your black woman. Hold up your head I beg you do not hold it down. They have to defend your black woman. This you fi know you a queen, pan your head you wear a crown. They have to defend your black woman. Hold up your head. I beg you do not hold it down. History record Louise Bennett Fraser. To the world she established and spread patois. Granny from Maroon town, the freedom fighter. On the battlefield she was a great warrior. And she did fight against the British Empire. Winnie Mandela from South Africa. She lead the Congos, them go free Mandela. So tell the black woman them all over. Say me they have to defend your black woman. This you fi know you a queen, pan your head you wear a crown. They have to defend your black woman. Hold up your head. I beg you do not hold it down. They have to defend your black woman. This you fi know you a queen, pan your head you wear a crown. They have to defend your black woman. This you fi know. Hold up your head now, hold it down. Defend the black woman, them like Merlin Hattie. Run the Jack 91 and the whole place happy. Veronica Campbell, yo she act like our Shelly and Fraser, Jamaica young sprinter. Know me I tell you about in America. Alyssa Felix and Sprinter Jetta. Venus Williams and Serena. Urban boys, them a woman lover. They have to defend your black woman. This you fi know you a queen, pan your head you wear a crown. They have to defend your black woman. Hold up your head. I beg you do not hold it down. They have to defend your black woman. This you fi know you a queen, pan your head you wear a crown. They have to defend your black woman. Hold up your head. I beg you do not hold it down. History record Louise Bennett Fraser. To the world she established and spread patois. Granny from Maroon town, the freedom fighter. On the battlefield she was a great warrior. And she did fight against the British Empire. Winnie Mandela from South Africa. She lead the Congos, them go free Mandela. So tell the black woman them all over. Say me they have to defend your black woman. This you fi know you a queen, pan your head you wear a crown. They have to defend your black woman. Hold up your head. I beg you do not hold it down. They have to defend your black woman. This you fi know you a queen, pan your head you wear a crown. They have to defend your black woman.
Selassie, I read the Bible revelation, don't prophesy. Rob from the poor and not about bankruptcy. To them involved in all a Johnny Comancy. 33rd degree orders and be a conspiracy. They could have never test his majesty. What about the elder people everywhere? What about the children? Seems you don't care. What about the economy and the welfare? Circulate the money, make it share. Me tell you, say, problem. The monetary system of all. Listen to the victims of all. Hey, Babylon stall. When did I sin problem? The monetary system of all. Listen to the victims of all. Hey, Babylon stall. Promise of this, but I lie them a tell. Soul them a seeking, corruption them dwell. What about the people who work 7 to 7? What about the homeless? They need more medicine. What about the children who are addicted to rock and the cocaine and distributing out the district? What about the children that you sent to war? Youths in a prison and them life gets hard. Oh yeah. You're in trouble.
tears in your eyes. Not tell you not like me, I feel Selassie. I read the Bible revelation, don't prophesy. Rob from the poor and not about bankruptcy. To them involved in a lot of necromancy. 33rd degree orders and be a conspiracy. That could have never test his majesty. What about the elder people everywhere? What about the children? Seems you don't care. World need a sin problem. The monetary system of all. Listen to the victims of all. Babylon stall. World need a sin problem. The monetary system of all. Listen to the victims of all. Babylon stall. Talk about this and them talk about that. Say them are official and say them are diplomat. But what about the cocaine? What about the crack? And who make the AKs? And who make the Glock? And who make the youths? Them a fire gunshot. That's why the violence can't stop you, cause that world need a sin problem. World need a sin problem. Babylon down, Babylon down. World need a sin problem.
Well, I'm fair to me, I'm true Rastaman. Take it from the general when name grand singer sanger. No like say you're if you're not true Rastaman. You will get a leader from the Almighty One. From your the Nazarene across the council. Don't care no farmer grudge the people. Run with Vatican and tell Babylon true. Nothing to the Father is impossible. We're Rastaman supposed to eat vegetable. I no care no bearing ground and holy temper. Rasta no eat meat, no cannibal people. No eat out of plastic and plastic yes. Rasta youth calabash at them utensil. Watch them here with tuna. A single Bible some now say where Rasta say. What says to where Rasta do? When judgment here, the time is terrible. When you put the Nazarene across the council. Don't care no farmer grudge the people. Run with Vatican and tell Babylon true. Nothing to the Father is impossible. From your pet the Nazarene across the council. Don't care no farmer grudge the people. Run with Vatican and tell Babylon true. Cause nothing to the Father is impossible. And some set a human judgment. Well leave all judgment to the Almighty One. Have a set a human fireman. Mind the fire then I'm gonna use same one. Can't wait for no woman and no know the addition. As a real Rasta man no wait no all that woman. Now itch up where the jerk pork center come from. I'm still a damn flesh when it not supposed to yam. Still I eat fine food when it not supposed to yam. Rasta plant food bunch of plantation. Well same some stay, I same some etan. I know anything cook a restaurant man when they are from your bed in a Nazarene across the council. Don't care no farmer grudge the people. Run the Vatican and tell Babylon true. Nothing to the Father is impossible. No for them I say me body want enough protein. For a long time me cut and clear milk and cheese. No for say me body want enough vitamin. So me don't eat them thin thing when come out of tin. No for say me body want enough calcium. So me see them big meat a man none and none. Vegetable pa me table make me comfortable. Rasta man flex is no time to idle. From your bed the Nazarene across the council. Don't care no farmer grudge the people. Run with Vatican and tell Babylon true. Nothing to the Father is impossible. From your bed the Nazarene across the council.
Why do they close the gate when there's no food in? Check it. Yeah. Reaching out to the youth. Hey. Okay. Why do they close the gate when there's no food in my plate? Interesting to know why the youth's blood have to flow. Why do they close the gate when there's no food in the plate? Interesting to know why do the youth blood flow? Righteousness that I use them like no time to fuss, no time to fight. Gotta work hard every day and night to make two ends meet that shine no light. Too much war, that's a more problem. My only child love can really some them. Peace and love, make sure you have them. Clean and free, push up your hands them. Got to look out for the hungry child, because nowadays everybody get wild. Hear them a chat, be a disrespect. So many use Babylon neglect. Pass the youth, now send them home. Turn them back to feed them own. Who jobless now, man can curse. Everybody living on this side. Why do they close the gate when there's no food in my plate? Interesting to know
Why do they close the gate when there's no food in the plate? Interesting to know. Why don't the youth blood flow? Them no business people are suffer Babylon. Now the food that dash away in the gutter. Education, the youth them don't want no house meditation. Every youth want plant a farm. Get up and do it now. Just can't wait any means anyhow. Don't realize Babylon don't care for the future. Make sure you prepare. Why do they close the gate when there's no food in my plate? Interesting to know why the youth's blood have to flow. Why do they close the gate when there's no food in the plate? Interesting to know. Why don't the youth blood flow?
The fire put it on heaven and Satan. All things are get harder, things are get tough. Down in a yard, they're easy if it uncuff. Left, right and center, things not enough. That's why no youth straight and touch the white stuff. You don't see no man a sell out weapons and shot. All who are bound to the devil must cut. Remember we all King Selassie, I must the better climb a tree right now like Sakia. Some of them want talk, a fire we are born. Fire we are, fire we are, fire we are born. All them attack and a beat up them come Rasta man no coconut run down. Tell them one talk, a fire we are born. Fire we are, fire we are, fire we are born. Everybody know this. Anyway we turn them can. This Rasta in a jam down. So you have to remember to give thanks every morning when you're bored. If you want to make it in your heart, no carry on growth. Enough of them a melt like a ice cream. For clean up your best and free your mind with love. You know you see Rasta man no watch people no time at all. Anything we rising Rasta man them a fi fall. In the earth man a real fireball. Selassie I alone name man a call. Some of them want talk, a fire we are born. Fire we are, fire we are, fire we are born. All them attack and a beat up them come Rasta man no coconut run down. Tell them one talk, a fire we are born. Fire we are, fire we are, fire we are born. Everybody know this. Anyway we turn them can. This Rasta in a jam down. Remember say fire burn them dirty lifestyle. We no matter who a bow out me Kyle. Don't teach certain things to me child. Remember man a big man done this me juvenile. Dance all music them was spoil. Never sign them out there till the style. Pass my shaitan, pass me file. Let me show them move a blood start boil. So make them one talk, a fire we are born. Fire we are, fire we are, fire we are born. All them attack and a beat up them come Rasta man no coconut run down. Tell them one talk, a fire we are born. Fire we are, fire we are, fire we are born. Everybody know this. Anyway we turn them can. This Rasta in a jam down. All things are get harder, things are get tough. Down in a yard they're easy if it uncuff. Left, right and center, things not enough. That's why no youth straight and touch the white stuff. You don't see no man a sell out weapons and shot. All who are bound to the devil must cut. Remember we all King Selassie I must the better climb a tree right now like Sakia. Some of them want talk, a fire we are born. Fire we are, fire we are, fire we are born. All them attack and a beat up them come Rasta man no coconut run down. Tell them one talk, a fire we are born. Fire we are, fire we are, fire we are born. Everybody know this. Anyway we turn them can. This Rasta in a jam down.
Sizzla Kalonja alongside Anthony Red Rose.
Hi, 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 hi.
Hey girl, your lonely days are all over. I'm Mr. Right and I made no pushover. Girl, I wanna be your number one lover. Between the sheets or under the cover. Girl, your lonely days are all over. I'm Mr. Right and I make no pushover. Girl, I wanna be your number one lover. Between the sheets or under the cover. Oh, yeah.
Girl, me have the right thing for you. Girl, me have the right thing for you. Girl, I whole night I want you. Girl, I whole night I want you.
Girl, when I see you I get so emotional. Boy, I wanna get up close and personal. Boy. Hey girl, I love the way your body design. Girl, you're one of a kind. Won't you forever be mine, mine, mine?
All
She want a man fi put the love in her heart, make she well comfortable and him there from start. She want a man fi occupy her place, her space, and put that pretty smile on her face. She want a man fi give her squeeze and hug. Middle of the night him a full of up a love. She want a man fi surround her, yes, and put away her loneliness. Me have the right thing for you, girl. I got the right thing for you, girl. A whole night I want you, girl. A whole night I want you.
Hey girl, your lonely days are all over. I'm Mr. Right and I made no pushover. Girl, I wanna be your number one lover. Between the sheets or under the cover. Girl, your lonely days are all over. I'm Mr. Right and I made no pushover. Girl, I wanna be your number one lover. Between the sheets or under the cover.
Top 12 for the Sizzla.
Hey baby girl, I'm the perfect one. Don't get me, then you don't get one. Hey, baby girl, me not run down the hype. Yes girl, you're beautiful, you're my type. Baby girl, yeah, I want you to know I love your style and I love your flow. Baby girl, just be in my section. Get all my affection. Me have the right thing for you, girl. Me have the right thing for you, girl. A whole night I want you, girl. A whole night I want you.
Hey girl, your lonely days are all over. I'm Mr. Right and I made no pushover. Girl, I wanna be your number one lover. Between the sheets or under the cover. Girl, your lonely days are all over. I'm Mr. Right and I made no pushover. Girl, I wanna be your number one lover. Between the sheets or under the cover. Always, yeah. Girl, when I see you I get so emotional. Boy, I wanna get up close and personal. Hey girl, I love the way your body design. Girl, you're one of a kind. Won't you forever be mine, mine, mine?
Me have the right thing for you.
Give thanks to life, yeah. That's right. Tell them, Lush. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Freedom. Don't let them hold you down. Freedom. Take your blessings and run. Freedom. Your blessing it and come. Freedom. Take your blessings and run. Don't let them hold you back any longer. Don't let them hold you back. Show them what you got. The feeling's getting stronger, stronger and stronger. You're not the worst, and the last shall be the first. Stop moving onward, no time to reverse. I say freedom. Don't let them hold you down. Freedom. Take your blessings and run. Freedom. Your blessings coming down. Freedom. Take your blessings and run. Break free from the chains of bondage. And don't let them treat us like no under privilege. No. Jah is the ruler of all things. Just leave and praise the King of Kings. Oh, good tidings he brings. Yeah. Freedom. Don't let them hold you down. Freedom. Take your blessings and run. Freedom. Your blessing coming down. Freedom. Take your blessings and run. Don't let them come around and brainwash you. No, no. Just stand your ground no matter what you're going through. Be firm and sure. Your freedom is more valuable than the things of the world. Yeah. Don't let them take control. Lord, Lord. Freedom. Don't let them hold you down. Freedom. Take your blessings and run. Freedom. Your blessings coming down. Freedom. Take your blessings and run. Take away yourself. Hey, all blessings come from the Most High, so our will never ever run dry. No matter what the heathen they try, Jah will watch over us. freedom is ours, I know. Rastafari hear that from a little on a grow. Hey, yeah. And from the eye them down on my toe. Rastafari could see that we come so. Say our freedom we want, and not to you forget. Yes. We want someone come here like for me life, them want for rest. So Rastafari we the young, we not go pose us no try. But if a man try to take freedom, then not instant. Hey, freedom is the most I know. Freedom is the most I know. Oh, sleep from vampire and paralyze them. Yo, we not big no friend now. Ooh, grandpa paralyzed all bad man and Eden. Yes, yeah. So when they go and fight and curse, they knows the freedom is the most. Freedom, don't let them hold you down. Freedom, take your blessings and run. Freedom, your blessings coming down. Freedom, take your blessings and run.
Oh, now wish you well, them can go to well. Another them place to dwell, another where you tell. You know bad mind like them a dash to spell. The material things them soul as hell. Summer season now me don't build my vibes for no reason. Me not gonna make you kill my vibe. Reggae dancehall, I still the vibes. We a party until daylight. Summer is the happiest time around. And me, I'm a girl, just a cruise through town. So I'ma take her on the beach, so me have her a spot. For a little bit of a geisha somewhere on the north coast. Summer is the happiest time around. And me and the girls, them a cruise through town. So I'ma take them on the beach, so me have them a spot. For a little some of a geisha somewhere on the north coast. Hey, girl, wind up, roll your belly, bounce, no gal like a jelly. See ya there, gal, you ready, come no gal to hold me steady. Hey, gal, you fit like sexy and you fit like. Gal, come and go this like and a little motorbike. Gal, in the ghetto, I go tell them that you prototype. Them know, but I know them sight and to you at them waffy fight. Them make them look out, them not go lie. When it's the bottle, them go on side. No careless, gal, you have no pride. Summer is the happiest time around. And me, I'm a girl, just a cruise through town. So I'ma take her on the beach, so me have her a spot. For a little some of a geisha somewhere on the north coast. Summer is the happiest time around. And me and the girls, them a cruise through town. So I'ma take them on the beach, so me have them a spot. For a little some of a geisha somewhere on the north coast. Well, the girls them me concerned about. And every day I'm alive, the girls them me I learn about. Keep the party, the girls them turn out. All these corruption I come burn out. Turn up the party, the gal them a wiggle, let me in. Gal make me come in a the me girl. The summer gal them a go with one bag of sin. No if the gal no in a the party, well something. Summer is the happiest time around. And me, I'm a girl, just a cruise through town. So I'ma take her on the beach, so me have her a spot. For a little some of a geisha somewhere on the north coast. Summer is the happiest time around. And me and the girls, them a cruise through town. So I'ma take them on the beach, so me have them a spot. For a little some of a geisha somewhere on the north coast. Oh, now wish you well, them can go to well. Another them place to dwell, another where you tell. You know bad mind like them a dash to spell. The material things, them soul as hell. Summer season now, me don't build my vibes for no reason. Me not gonna make you kill my vibe. Reggae dancehall, I still the vibes. We a party until daylight. Summer is the happiest time around. And me, I'm a girl, just a cruise through town. So I'ma take her on the beach, so me have her a spot. For a little some of a geisha somewhere on the north coast. Summer is the happiest time around. And me,
girl come on me yard and I tell me she a look for Jana that she tell me. Say this a the address them give her. Can't tell her nothing cause she see the car.
So make me tell you this, girl, to me thing now me not change me law. Mount a girl me have every day, girl love me up. 1, 2, 3, 4 girl they are me hard. God them know this a package and me have to deliver. 3:35 yes me hear me phone ring. Who they are me gate no the girl name. It say she come for the love and she not leaving. Cause tonight you know a straight bed raving. Right after that she never reach to the room. The amount of love we put on so we pass we resume. She never know us so me defeat and in tune. Want see how she fly out like a witch.
Girl come on me yard and I tell me she a look for Jana that she tell me. Say this a the address them give her. Can't tell her nothing cause she see the car. Girl come on me yard and I tell me she a look for Jana that she tell me. Say this a the address them give her. Can't tell her nothing cause she see the car. She come for John, she come for John, she come for John. Him have something for her and she a wait too long. She not left till him come out to tell her what's the position. She sit down comfortable so you know where she depend. She make up her mind, so she not leave, nah move from here so. Until she see him, she will stay the whole night. It no matter she will bleach. Cause if him come out then he must come back in. You know from when Kim a tell her link up. From the whole with the coalition drink up. And she a breathe the pants from the waist to the cuff. Now the flavor sweeter and she want the whole cup. Girl come on me yard and I tell me she a look for fridge on her that she tell me. Say this are the address them give her. Can't tell her nothing cause she see the car. Girl come on the yard and I tell me. She a look fridge on her that she tell me. Say this are the address them give her. Can't tell her nothing cause she see the car.
So make me tell you this, girl, to me thing now me not change me law. She get me up in the
yo, me come fi big up all the ballers them and all substitute on the bench. Yeah, and all bad tackle get red card. And a boy can't reach my defense. You mad? Me love to see me cheerleaders them with the pom pom them inna the ear. And all of me girls when the beat a drop. You want see you know a shake. Me want to shake it like a saw shaker. Shake it like a saw shaker. Shake it like a saw shaker. Okay, like a saw shaker.
Girl from Jam down to Ethiopia. Why you fight over girl what take time Mickey Mouse ya? In no stamp get fun like bread in a toaster. Got me have a lot of money stash up in a Scotia. Tell the cabinet fi stop up pressure potion. We a go down and the grill girl pack up the coaster. True them say we pan the dance poster. That's why girl I do the style of them.
Shake it like a saw shaker. Shake it like a saw shaker. Shake it like a saw shaker. Like a saw shaker. Ash, girl, you know what show you are wear. You, girl, roll over anywhere. Catch pan a rhythm ya, wind up your head. Sit down in the dance and bum everywhere.
Okay. This girl time on the back stop. Up her head and open up like a laptop. If you use my iPhone, take a snapshot. No other girl can match that. Ash.
Shake it like a saw shaker. Shake it like a saw shaker. Shake it like a saw shaker. Like a saw shaker. We come fi big up all the ballers them and all substitute on the bench. Yeah. And all bad tackle get red card. And a boy can't reach my defense. You mad? Me love to see me cheerleaders them with the pom pom them inna the ear. And all of me girls when the beat a drop. Me want see you know a shape. Me want to shake it like a saw shaker. Shake it like a saw shaker. Shake it like a saw shaker. Like a saw shaker.
You make me stop browse. Y'all you are every man target. You second man where used to dog it. Your good body create a habit. Y'all you off the pulling magnet. Me out a flatter but me a fit talk it. So you, I say your body me ready for start it. Me hear the freaks I call you chocolate. Tongues a roll out a head like a red carpet. See all school as a try off for you. Enough money man a try buy off for you. Man go, who of them man a try tie off for you. Cupid a run them a fly off for you. Yes, your body bless, your body bless, your body bless. Yes, your body bless, your body bless, your body bless. Girl, your body bless, not a minute without stress. You are in a you, me have me interest. Yes, your body bless, your body bless, your body bless. Yes, your body bless, your body bless, your body bless. Girl, your body bless, not a minute without stress. You are only you, me put me interest. Word of prayer, God hear when me want. Me want a cat ya fi drop inna me paw. Me look, me can't see no flaw. Winnings with a girl, you no lose nor draw. Nah, me want she inna me life immediately. Not fi squeeze and dash way like Tetley. Forever and ever, till thy kingdom come. Me I tell you this, you nah go regret me. Your body bless, your body bless, your body bless. Yes, your body bless, your body bless, your body bless. Girl, your body bless, not a minute without stress. You are in a you, me have me interest. Yes, your body bless, your body bless, your body bless. Yes, your body bless, your body bless, your body bless. Girl, your body bless, not a minute without stress. You are only you, me put me interest. Y'all you are every man target. Your second man where used to dog it. Your good body create a habit. Y'all you off the pulling magnet. Me out a flatter but me a fit talk it. So you, I say your body me ready for stock it. Me hear the freaks I call you chocolate. Tongues a roll out a head like a red carpet. See all school as a try off for you. Enough money man a try buy off for you. Man go, who of them man a try tie off for you. Cupid a run them a fly off for you. Yes, your body bless, your body bless, your body bless. Yes, your body bless, your body bless, your body bless. Girl, your body bless, not a minute without stress. Pick up all of the woman them when you fi make them man feel great. But if a girl not perform good, hear me a tell it this straight. No matter if you say the helper in the house, only you go wash dirty plate. I need a helper to help me out, shine up the wood floor, dash out of it, dash out. Me no response, me no care about. Come more time, me help all the help out. Helper help me out. We hard working and a plain house. The wife them a boss and them do understand, but a man is just a man. Me help her live in, she stay every night. Me help her, she know the things them me like. She know me love music, so before me use it, she dust down the studio and clean up the mind. No dirty pot can't stay in her sight. Steal what she love, she no use catch brush. My helper are the conserving type, so she make sure the pipe cock ever lock tight. I need a helper to help me out, shine up the wood floor, dash out of it, dash out. Me no response, me no care about. Come more time, me help all the help out. Helper to help me out. We hard working and a plain house. The wife them a boss and them do understand, but a man is just a man. Hey. Help her help out with the domestic. Fi take on the chores and my wife say hectic. She help me so much till my wife get vexed and say if me touch her, me sign a death wish. She tell me say she woulda sure the exit if she find out the help for me I mess with. When wife come in and tired, help is like Wi-Fi connect quick. I need a helper fi help me out, shine up the wood floor, dash out of it, dash out. Me no response, me no care about. Come more time, me help all the help out. Helper fi help me out. We hard working and a plain house. The wife them a boss and them do understand, but a man is just a man. Jah know me love how the help of them practice we serve out the wine so.
The Caribbean girls them, this are the whining anthem. Team up production. Hey, Akapachi, me want you. Wind up your body for me. Wind up your body for me. Back it up, girl, and bad little girl like you know said that you want it, yeah. Wind up your body for me. Wind up your body for me. Back it up, girl, and bad little girl like you know said that you want it, yeah. Right now you got the place on fire. Are you every man heart desire? When you wind back it up, dash it up, my girl, me say, oh Lord, you full of stamina. You make us turn and no one go space. The way you wind up your waist. Right now you make me want to cross the dance floor and give you a real rasta breast. So wind up your body for me. Wind up your body for me. Back it up, girl, and bad little girl like you know said that you want it, yeah. Wind up your body for me. Wind up your body for me. Back it up, girl, and bad little girl like you know said that you want it, yeah. Experience you is the truth. The wine you a bust, girl, it overproof. From the day you born out of your mother, no man never tell you for one salute. Wind up, you know the inna your body firm and ready. Wine where you a bust, girl. Right now we better than for the one name that is so. Wind up your body for me. Wind up your body for me. Back it up, girl, and bad little girl like you know said that you want it, yeah. Wind up your body for me. Wind up your body for me. Back it up, girl, and bad little girl like you know said that you want it, yeah. Right now you got the place on fire. Are you every man heart desire? When you wind back it up, dash it up, my girl, me say, oh Lord, you full of stamina. You make us turn and no one go space. The way you wind up your waist. Right now you make me want to cross the dance floor and give you a real rasta breast. So wind up your body for me. Wind up your body for me.
I don't want you enter in a room. If you know you're not gonna do me right, tell me where you're up to. I've got place to be. Don't waste me time, girl, if you don't have nothing for me. Cause right now we're early in a demand, yeah. And me want the thing that, send on the thing that Mother Nature can. Me want the thing that, send on the thing that you no got nothing for me. Hey, my girl, send on the thing from the rascals. Right now me tired of wait and me frost. Don't take me for full mind, me draw for me loss. Inna me car, you better put back me glass. What up? Top shot, man. And I show you know me not rape ya. Me no hold down and take. But right now me feel fit. Delete your number and forget. Because I'm early in a demand, yeah. And me want the thing that, send on the thing that Mother Nature can. Me want the thing that, send on the thing that you no got nothing for me. Sure. If you not send on, why you call? You can't style a none at all. You turn me on with the mickle like your palm. Then go left me think tall. Right now me feel like semi one ball. Right now me think still rise can't fall. Right now me feel upset one bust a big sweat and you still a put on a big stall. And now early in a demand, yeah. And me want the thing that, send on the thing that Mother Nature can. Me want the thing that, send on the thing that you no got nothing for me. Exodus, man I feel leave this place. Coming up no time to waste. Right now we flavor, see me face, me a screw. Like see me and now our best. Yeah, I read like you lace me with mess. when Mother Nature gone. Me want the thing them, send all the thing them. Early in the morning, and me want the thing them, send all the thing them. Mother Nature gone. Me want the thing them, send all the thing them. So what you call my phone for? I tell me say, you want this and you want that. I'm if you come over. My girl, you take Rasta man for, you have to know about.